Assalamu alaikum guys. I hope you are doing well. In today's video, I will be collecting eggs in my this noob ID and grinding some level on this my ID. So let's begin our video. Thank you for the support in our previous video of collecting egg in my main ID. So here we go. We find our first egg. Thirsty egg. And our second egg also we have find. Let's collect it. This is shockwave egg. As you can see, I didn't have collected any of the egg. So let's collect the thirsty egg also. By dropping in the water, you can get the thirsty egg. So here we go. We have collected the 2 eggs. And in this video, we will be grinding this noob ID also. Because this is noob ID. And we will try to do it level 200. So before grinding, we should look for egg here. Now there is no egg left. Let's first roll the fruit. So we will grind faster. I will try to get light or ice fruit because it is so much good for grinding for first C. Now I am going at jungle and rolling fruit from my main ID and my this ID also. So I get the light fruit. So let's head toward the jungle. Let my main ID also join. Now here is my main ID. Let's spawn boat and head toward jungle. Now we are at almost at jungle. Now here's my main ID. Let's roll for a fruit. I got eagle fruit. Eagle fruit is also good for grinding. But I need light fruit because light is the top one fruit for grinding in this game. First C. Let's roll from my this ID. Let's hope we get light or ice because these both fruit are good for grinding. Oh my god, I got gacha egg. Yes! I got gacha egg and light fruit both at once. As you can see my luck in the rolling. The fruit. I got gacha egg also and light fruit also which I need. That's amazing. Now we will grind and do the mastery of light fruit. So our quest it is frozen village. So let's move toward the frozen village. Let's spawn boat and go from the boat fast. As I say you in the video, light fruit is the best fruit for first C. But I didn't got the light, that's why I use creation fruit. If you guys are enjoying my video, so leave a comment. What fruit I use in your opinion and what stats should I put? So let's head toward the frozen village. Now I am at the frozen village. So let's grind up our mastery for the light fruit. Now total of we have 3 egg, one of the legendary egg and 2 common. So first we eat light fruit. Now our light fruit is activated. Let's take our quest. We need a few more level to do Yeti quest. So let's do our quest fast. Light fruit is considered as a good fruit because it has a good M1 and so much good moves to do PvP and grinding both, which make it even more better. Let's kill them fast. And because light fruit is elemental, we can't get damage from these NPCs, which make it even more better. Now our flight is on. We can travel here and there much faster. Let's kill these NPCs. Now 4 more to go. Before killing this NPC, we put our 2 experience code. So it will be more better to grind. I just come Middletown and I got another egg also. And it is saying get me to the villager. So let's take this egg to the villager. I think the villager is at Pirate Village. So let's head toward the Pirate Village. Now we are almost at Pirate Village. Let's check for villager here. Or I think the villager is at... No way. I got golden egg now. I fastly get my main account here. I now also got golden egg. My luck is crazy. Now my main ID is almost at Pirate Village. Let me come more faster so it will not despawn. Now my main ID is here. Is this golden egg or which egg? Let me see. It's the falling sky egg. Let me drop to my this account. So it will get 2 eggs. It is similar like golden egg. So I think it is golden egg. Let me drop this egg from height so I will get this egg. Now I get falling sky egg. And now I have to deliver this egg to the villager, which is at Frozen Village. So let's head toward the Frozen Village. Now I am at Frozen Village and let's give this egg. Now I got friendly neighborhood egg also. Our quest is also gone, so let's do our quest again. Now let's put double experience code. I have already redeemed, so let's put another code. Yes. Now we will level up more faster. And I am already level 105. So let's kill Yeti. I am already level 106. So let's kill Yeti. Now Yeti is almost died. Let's kill him. Let's see how much level did we gain. We are level 110. Now I meet you in the next island. Let me level up more faster and do server hop for Yeti. I just server hop and got another thirsty egg. So let's drop it in water. Now we kill Yeti in this server, and like this we do server hop again and again until we are to the next island. I collected chest here and got another egg here. Treasure egg. Now let's do server hop again. Here we kill Yeti and we got egg. Let's see which egg is this. Oh, this a boss hunt egg. Nice. Let's do server hop. Now we are at the next island. Let's move toward our next island, which will be Marine Fortress. I was going from up and I see a rocket egg here. So let's collect it. It's running so much. Now we got rocket egg also. Let's move toward Marine Fortress. Now we are in Marine Fortress. Let's take our quest and puts our stats all on fruits because I am putting my all stats in fruit. So it will be easier to kill NPCs. Let's do the quest, then I will meet you. Our first quest has been completed. Let's take the next quest. After doing this quest, then I will meet you. Now we can move toward the Ice Admiral quest. Vice Admiral, let's kill him. Let's kill him. Now he is died and we gained 3 more levels and we are now level 134. Now I will do server hop and meet when I will be level 140. I was killing a boss when I see this egg. Let's collect it. Now I got excited egg also. I just joined the server and I see a egg here. Now I got the pirate egg also. Now I am level 142. Let's do it to level 150. Then I will in next video I will grind from level 150 to 200. So let's kill this boss 5 to 6 more times, then we will be level 150. Now I am level 151. In the next video I will be grinding from level 150 to 200 faster because now I got light fruit and now the grinding will be more easier and enjoyable. So that's it for the today's videos guys. I hope you enjoy the video. So make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment. What should level I grind in the next video? Allah Hafiz.